Selection of your softball bat. Really easy. You gotta know first of all that they are the same length, 34 inches. After that, you gotta choose between 25 and 28 ounce. Majority of companies are using between 26 and 28. After that, you got to look if you would like to get a one-piece bat or a two-piece bat. Generally, with the baseball players are making the transition between softball and baseball are using the one-piece bat, a little bit stiffer. For the two-piece bat, majority of companies are providing that kind of bat are for the little snap when you swing through the zone. Second of all, you got to choose between end loaded and balance. Balance for a light bat when you want to be accurate and hit all the time line drives. End loaded bat are for strong players who wants to get a lot of distance when they hit the ball with the end loaded weight at the end of the bat. So about the stamps on the bat, you got USSSA, ASA, or dual stamp on your bat. So check your regulation on your own tournament, league, or your own province. Grips. Combat are using Lizard Skins, Easton Hyperskin, and Miken, and Louisville are using their own to reduce vibration and great handle when you swing the bat. So you gotta take a look what you're feeling. It's really a personal choice when you choose your bat. So if you need tips, advice, come to see us at your local Source for Sports store. The Source for Sports, we know our stuff.